Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Austin Hank, here back with vlog number 42. These uploads are just getting better and better, so you better hit that subscribe button if you are new, because these uploads, they're not stopping, they're getting better. Last vlog, I put worms on my girlfriend, got the greatest reaction ever. The vlog before that, I smashed pumpkins from 40 feet in the air. And this vlog today, I'm going drifting in a Porsche Cayman. That's right, I'm drifting in a Porsche, a 2007 Porsche Cayman. It's been on this channel many times before. It's on the channel today, and the reason we're drifting is because it's the end of the season. And what do you do when it's the end of the season in Canada? You go out in the snow, you go drifting. The Mustang's already stored. We officially stored it a few days ago, but it was like temporary storage. We just had it in our barn under a roof for a little bit. But now we've officially decided to store it. But my cousin wants one more day out of it, so we're gonna go drifting right now.
Welcome back, guys. We're in Winnipeg, Manitoba. It's fucking cold. I'm cold. My car is cold. There's ice on it. It's like minus 30. But we get to take advantage of that because we got free drifting. Our tires aren't gonna get fucked up. Look at all this. It's beautiful. So the first drill we're gonna be doing, I like to do this back when I used to play soccer. We just dribble between the cones, drift between the cones, call it the slalom. We're just gonna keep adding challenges, so stay tuned. Yes. So he is gonna go from there straight, start the drift there, end it there sideways. That was a pretty good one. Oh, I broke the car. Did you? Yeah. Wait, actually? Fuck. I think it just stalled. So far, doing pretty good. It's his first time drifting, really. He's learning. It's good. Good progress for him. Turning on the brights so you can see better. Yo, these brights suck! Yeah. Oh. Not hard, because if you go hard, it'll basically just come to a dead stop. Just fiddle with it. You might have to put a lot of pressure or e-brake pressure, or you might not. That was a really good one, actually. Oh, so close. I lost. That one was going good. It's going good. It just locked up at the end. I'm going too fast. Oh shit! Didn't have my seatbelt on. Oh my god. Fuck the cone. Oh, there you go. 35 engine temperature. Where's that? Would that be? Where's my gauge? I think it's 40, 80, 120. Yeah, that's my engine temperature. So yeah, you're fine. It's in the middle. Okay, you're good. Yeah. Just always gotta watch it when you're drifting.
really good. You did like 2 laps there. There's 2 other drifters that showed up. Probably gonna cause a ruckus. Probably get attention brought here because one of them sounds loud as fuck. They're drifting in the other lot though. They're drifting slightly. Slightly, not doing that good. You were doing better without the e-brake. You see that? They're barely even drifting. You should go show them up. No, he's literally just doing circles. His back end is not flipping. His back end isn't moving. Oh. Fuck. Oh. Holy shit. That was close, that was close. Okay, I'm gonna end the vlog there. I'm not a professional drifter. I'm not a professional drifting teacher. Although I think I did a very good job of teaching him. I mean, at the start, I just showed the beginning and end. At the start, he couldn't even get his back end to spin out. And at the end, he was actually able to hold about half a circle. He did manage to do 2 full circles once, which I put somewhere in the video. I drift about 3 times a year in winter, every single year, so that's been about 9 times in total, I think. And he just got his license a few months ago, so honestly that was very, very good progress for him. He went from not able to drift to able to at least do something, so good progress. The car is now officially stored, so I won't be doing any more drifting with the Porsche Cayman, sadly. However, be sure to subscribe because the content just gets better and better. So be sure to like the video, comment down below. Obviously subscribe if you're new, and